You know, I wouldn't consider myself someone who has many regrets in life, but I recently just turned 26, and if I were to look back at a few things in my life, there are some things that honestly I would have done just a little bit different. But being that time travel is not a thing yet and you can't go back into the past, I'm gonna do for you guys what I wish someone would have done for me at a younger age. Here are 5 things that I wish I knew before I turned 25. The first thing I'm gonna tell you is probably the most important thing throughout this entire video, and I really need you to hear me on this. There is no rush. I think it's safe to say that we have a huge hustle culture in this society, and everything is super goal driven. We always have a plan and a time frame in which we want to achieve that plan. But I'm here to tell you right now, when it comes to your career, when it comes to your goals, when it comes to money, when it comes to your relationships or the things that you overall want to achieve in life, I promise you there is no immediate rush. Hell, if you were to look at some of the most successful people in this world, they have not tasted their first level of success until they reach their late 30s or even their mid 40s. So there is absolutely no reason as to why you underneath the age of 25 need to have it all figured out right here and now. It is best to just take your time, of course make plans and make sure you're taking the necessary actions to start said plans, but if you don't reach something at a certain time frame, I promise you, you're not a complete failure in life. In fact, I would argue that you're in a perfect position to start making those connections that you need to help achieve your goal, as well as find better ways to save money. We live in a time now where everything when it comes to our basic way of life has a price point. Food, shelter, entertainment, the list can go on and on. And if I were a little bit younger, I wish someone would have told me better ways on how I can reduce my cost of living. Maybe don't subscribe to 6 different streaming services that you don't necessarily need. Don't go out to eat for every single meal, or switch up to a cell phone carrier that provides you with great quality at an amazing affordable price, which is where our partner Mint Mobile comes into play. If you guys have heard of Mint Mobile before, you've probably seen one of their ads starring their owner Ryan Reynolds from time to time, and I partnered up with them to tell you guys that they're offering a premium wireless service for as low as $15 a month, and you don't have to worry about sacrificing any coverage, data, or speed. They're built on the nation's largest 5G network, and they can keep the prices that low because they sell directly to you online. So no stores, no salespersons to tack on any unnecessary services that you do not need. They were kind enough to let me use their services for a while, and it's been nothing but great. I like listening to music, watching some YouTube videos, or streaming some anime while I work, and it's been nothing but seamless. And making a switch to Mint Mobile is super easy. With their digital eSIM cards, you can just make the switch to their services from the comfort of your own home. It only takes 15 minutes to install, and if you do need help, their customer service is top of the line. You don't even need a new phone. All you need to do is take the phone that you have now and just install their app, and I promise you guys, it's such a super easy process. And if your phone doesn't take an eSIM, they can send you a physical SIM card for free right to your doorstep. And now, since you're watching this video, as a special limited time offer, you can get their unlimited plan, which is normally $30 a month for just $15 a month. That's 50% of the amazing savings that you're already getting. For unlimited talk, text, and data, you're taking only 15 minutes to install this, and you're only paying $15 a month. It's really that simple. If this sounds good to you guys can hit that link down in the description down below. That is our custom link that you can use to get $15 a month off of their unlimited plan starting today. It takes, again, only 15 minutes to install, so hit that link in the description down below. The third thing I wish I had a grasp on before I turned 25 is time management. Now, I know I told you in the first tip that there is no rush when it comes to your success and your overall goals in life. However, if you are wanting to go on the fast track with some things here and there, you do need to develop some time management skills. It can start as simple as making sure that you have an alarm that you wake up to every single day just to get your day started, or you mark your calendars for certain events that are important to you or to others that you need to make sure that you're keeping in mind. Or even for me as a content creator, it is super important that I do have a planner for the content that I want to put out for you guys at a frequent basis. So I need to make sure that I am managing my time throughout the day as best as I can. This next one is pretty obvious, but it's still very important. I wish I had a strong focus on my fitness whenever I was just a few years younger, because I only just now started being very consistent when it comes to eating right and going to the gym. I'm making good results. I'm down 20 pounds since I first started this, but again, with the time management thing, I wish I would have started sooner rather than later, because God knows where I would be if I just started doing that at an earlier age. And of course, as you know, we're all about fashion here, and if I were to go back in time, I would tell myself to stop being so damn stubborn and check out different styles. Whenever I was younger, I would just stick to one particular type of style, and that's like a dressed down version of any formal aesthetic, or I would like to call it smart casual. But I would love to explore different things, especially if I can use it to expand my bubble when it comes to the things that I wouldn't wear, just so that I have more variety when it comes to my wardrobe. So just take this as a sign. If you're a guy who's all about suits and you're just never wanted that guy who just wants to dabble into streetwear, try it out here and there and see if there's not something that you can pick up and expand your overall wardrobe, just so that you yourself can have more variety. Typically, when you have a wardrobe where you can have more variety, you don't have to worry about what type of clothes you can wear to just about any other occasion. You always have something on deck for you to wear, therefore you're gonna be good to go. Honestly, I could go on and on with this video, but I kind of want to hear from you guys. If you guys are 25 and older, what are some things that you wish you would have told your younger self? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be in discussion with you guys after I drop this video. But if you like today's video and you learned something from it, be sure to hit that like button. It does help out the channel out a lot, help spread this video out to as many people as possible so that they can see it just like how you are right now. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you're into fashion, grooming, lifestyle advice, hairstyle advice, relationship advice, any advice that can help you become a better version of yourself, hit that subscribe button, become a part of the HB community. We're growing every single day, and I'm glad to see you guys with your continued support. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are not following me on TikTok or on Instagram, they're both at mrhbfashion. I have them linked in the description down below for you guys to go check out. Also, don't forget to check out today's video partner, Mint Mobile, for your $15 a month unlimited data plan. Get started today with the link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I'll see you next time.